Today I learned letter, sound, discover. So we learn about all kind of words. So here a words. A sign having words. A shop having word. A building having word. There's a lot of kind of things having words. And now, not have words. 912 is not a word. 375 is not a word. 2025 is not a word. There's a kind of many things is a word, and all of them are words and kind of word. But some of them are not a word. They're numbers. You know what? When I am doing a video, you can see the word on the video. They tell you. And then there's a lot of words you can find, like books. You can find the words too. Maybe the book is about 5 things, or the book is about 4 things, or there's a kind. If the book has the numbers, that's not a word. A word has many kind of words, like cat, dog, pig, and people. That's a word. And you see other personal word, like when your family have a phone number. Phone number is when you see on the phone have a number. You click, 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 click. That's not a word. That is a word. So now you know about words. A word and not a word. If you don't know it, you can watch it again.